How to open Gmail account without verification code. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can open Gmail without verification code. Now if you're talking about creating a Gmail account without verification code, that is actually possible because Gmail app now does not require you to go ahead and enter the verification code while creating an account. If you're trying to log into one of the existing account without a verification code, that is also possible as long as you had not turned on two-factor authentication. So you can go to gmail.com here and then you can simply go ahead and then basically make sure to enter the email address of your account. Then whenever you tap on the next option here, it will just take you to this page, and once you have done that, you will be able to go ahead and then be taken to the page where you can confirm your captcha. And then after that, you just have to go ahead and then basically just tap on verify, then tap on next, enter your password. If your account does not have a two-factor authentication, it will not ask you for any sort of verification code. So hope this video helped you as to how you can open or log into your Gmail account without verification code. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.